have a blessed day to everyone that watched this video and to everyone who did not watch this video. You all have a blessed day, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna give you another video of my life, and this video will be a mukbang and a review of KFC. Yes, KFC. KFC today. Yes, so stay tuned to my video. I'm gonna be comparing the chicken, even though a long time he left Jamaica. But I'm gonna compare everything that I can possibly see compare to the Jamaican KFC. So guys, stay tuned for this one. So yes guys, this is my meal that I order. It's a 8-piece hot and spicy wings. It's a meal. It's a 8-piece meal, chicken wing meal. And first comparing will be the way it is served. Normally we would be served our meal in a box, but it's not like that here. It's served in this bag. This is the fries. Those are ketchup and mayonnaise, and this is my drink. This is my drink, and it is not served. It's the straw. No. That's my chicken wings right there. I'm gonna be showing them out for you to see them anyway. I'm just showing you the bag that it is served in. So guys, again, here is my meal. It's 8 pieces of wings, and let me tell you something. Let me show you 8 pieces of wings. It's like this. I do that to show you. So yes guys, I'm back with you now. Now I'm gonna do my first piece of chicken. This is my first piece of chicken. I don't know how well you can see this, but this is my best shot I can give you. I prefer to come in this corner here where I am not disturbed by anyone, and I am not disturbing anyone. So this is my first piece of chicken, and let me tell you, it is not tasting like Jamaican KFC. Let me show you something. It's dry, you know. See how we have that when you go to KFC and you see with that bouncy, juicy look? It's not like that. This is just dry. It's very greasy. It's very greasy, guys. Very greasy. But guess what? We can't do better. Because we want KFC to eat today. As for the fries, I really don't have a problem with the fries, but it have to be eaten hot. Anywhere at all you buy fries, you know that it have to be eaten hot. Guys, I can assure you that it's not spring chicken. It's not spring chicken, guys. I don't know why. Yeah, I forget this. I forget about this. When you buy this. Unlike we, when we are clean up chicken, we ensure say every player come out right and every piece of skin come out right and every piece of them little string they come out right. Here, and when you cook and serve in your plate, you have to get fed up on it. You see all that yellow part, then the yellow part on the chicken foot. When we have this, you get to see it more that you have to take it off if you want it. Yes, back to the KFC. It can eat though, it can eat, but after eating it for a while, you are crying. It's very crying. Because when I eat this now, I don't know when I'm gonna be eating anymore. It's like that because it's quite a while. I don't come here because it's not something that you every day. Your mind will change from it, but it can be eaten. As if I have a choice. Do I have a choice? No, I don't. Anyway, guys, if you are watching this video and you don't subscribe to Charms Lifestyle channel, then don't forget to do so and hit that post notification bell so you will be notified when I post my next upload. And if you want to learn more about Mommy Charms, tell me who me look like. Who me look like? Charms Lifestyle, Mommy Charms, inside our rival. Which one of them look like? You know, tell me. Yes, guys. So let's eat. Oh, many times on camera, draw everybody attention. Who cares? Guys, even though it's nothing comparing to Jamaican, and it's not too spicy, even though it's spicy wings, it's not spicy because I don't eat pepper, you know. But this is the only thing I buy here. Because if you buy a 3-piece meal, it's 3 pieces of the, say, 3 legs. It's 3 legs, and you can't, you see like how you can tell them at the counter what you want. Like if you would order 3-piece meal, you can say, give me a wing, a hip, and a leg. You have to take what you get. You can't tell them what you want. You take what you get. From here, I'm coming to KFC. I have never been served a chicken dick before. I have never seen it served here. It's breasts. I've never seen chicken hip served in KFC before. Neither here in Nice or in Paris. I have never seen it. So, for all the persons who are in Paris who is watching this video, let me know if you have seen it before. Chance Lifestyle, I've never seen it. And yes, here's my drink. It's Lipton iced tea. And guess what? They don't serve the drink with straw. A 6-piece for the same price like the 8-piece. So why not take it the 8-piece? And yes guys, I want to tell you the price that I paid for this. The price for this is €8.95. So you can compare that with the Jamaican price and see if it is worth buying. Which one is worth buying? See which one is worth buying. Whether it's here or there. But yes, you get 8 pieces of chicken, fries, and a cup of drink for €8.95. And the meal was served up. It was served cold. Yeah, and it's not like inside here is full of people. Already, you know, guys. I'm gonna just the family food piece. It's very reclining. I'm on my last piece now. I can hardly busted, guys. I am busted. So I'm done. And all is left of the meal, guys. Oh, that's the leftover. So guys, guess what? I've come to the end of my video. So I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day to everyone that watched this video.